Hello everyone, my name is Madhul Mishra and I'm the co-founder and CTO at VG Solver Private Limited. And in this video, we are going to see how to configure GST settings inside ERPNext. Right? So for that, if you want to configure GST setting, you have to first install India Compliance app by Resilient Tech, and you can find it on GitHub also, and you can find it inside Frappe Cloud also for installation. And one more thing is that this is a paid app, so you have to buy the credits. So after that only you will be able to use it, right? So if you have it, you can see it inside the desktop page, which is over here, GST India. You can find it out. You have to go inside it and you have to click on settings over here and click on GST settings. So I'll just walk you through one by one what all things are present over here and what are the basic settings which you need to use. Okay, so the first thing is you should make your minimum HSN and SSC code value as 4, right? Because what happens is most of the times, like when you don't have access, you need to sometimes use 4-digit SSC code also, and when you use that, it gives error if you have check of 6-digit, right? If you have e-way bill feature, if you need e-way bill feature, you can enable it from here. Where do you want to enable e-way bill? That is what you can decide over here. So there are two types of companies that either generate e-way bill on delivery note or generate it on purchase invoice, right? So depending on your use case, you can check this box of delivery note. Either you can generate e-way bill from purchase invoice or you can generate it from delivery note. That is something which you can use. Other than that, you can use purchase receipt also, and on subcontracting and material transfer also. If you want to round off GST values, you can click on this checkbox that will round off all the GST values. If you want document reference of GST purchase or receipt, if checked, vendor reference number will be mandatory for transactions, right? So if you want to enable this, you can do from over here. Validate HSN and SSC code in sales item and transaction. So if you want to validate it, you have to check this. This is a must feature, so you should keep it open. Okay. Apart from that, you see that these accounts are already created. So input tax, output tax, input tax, CGST and output tax. All these input and output tax for SGST, IGST, CGSTs are already maintained. And this is what you can find inside chart of accounts also. So if you go inside chart of accounts and if you expand all, right, you can see that over here tax asset, under tax asset, input tax GST and output tax GST, all the refunds, all this values and reports, you can see it inside tax asset, inside chart of accounts, right? So that is something which we can use over here, right? So this is the basic GST setting which I wanted to discuss. So if you have liked this video, please do like the video and comment on the video. Apart from that, you can also subscribe for my channel for continuous ERPNext tutorial videos. Thank you so much for watching till here. Bye bye.